just a cough and a fever. The bottom line here is that if this disease is caught in time and treated with the right drug,
this is Jesse playing with Magoo on the couch.
Look at this picture of two
love
boys
each other.
with TV taken by famed photographer James Knopfler. While the boy on the left ultimately died, the boy on the right was treated in time. His name is Yi Yan, and here he is today.
This fabulous little boy is perfect. So we're so excited.
He's happy and healthy, a mean marbles player, and a livid example of how this forgotten epidemic can be defeated. And just $20 to the Cambodian Health Committee can pay for a TB test and a gene expert that could potentially save somebody's life. And you can see other similar solutions on our Be The Change website, abcnews.com, or at saveone.net. And coming up next, $100 bills to shock and grateful people who are facing tough times right now.
That's hard to do as big as that belly.
Yeah.
You saved me.
Get my hands dirty and then try new things. So I asked my doctor,
Is she picking on you? Huh? Is she picking on you? Yes, cutie patootie. Cutie patootie, little boy.
Spiriva keeps my airways open to help me breathe better for a full 24 hours. And it's not a steroid. Spiriva does not replace fast-acting inhalers for sudden symptoms. Stop taking Spiriva and call your doctor right away if you're breathing
Look at
suddenly
that face.
worsens,
Look at that.
tongue swells, you
Look
get
at that
headaches,
funum.
changes are active, or have
Just look at it.
problems
Get over here.
Tell your doctor if you
Look
have
at that.
lymphoma,
Look at that
problems causing
funum.
your
Oh yeah.
as easily worsen the symptoms.
Yeah, and look at that tummy.
Look at that gut. I don't know.
Tummy, tummy.
Pretty wormy to me.
Because breathing better is just better. Ask your doctor
Yeah,
if
she's so
once daily
cute.
Spiriva is right for you.
Okay.
Thank you for calling USA Farm Trading.
Oh.
My name is Peggy. You have problem? Peggy?
Peggy.
Okay. I've been waiting for 15 minutes for someone
Jesse.
to pick up. You're
Hey,
delicious like food.
Get down from there.
I
Jesse.
like-
Jesse.
So
Jesse.
Want better customer service? Switch to Discover. Ranked #1 in customer loyalty. It's Discover.
Oops. Getting in my own light. Magoo's had enough. He don't want to play anymore.
For performance. Upgrade to Castrol Edge Advanced Synthetic Oil. With 8 times better wear protection than Mobile One. Castrol Edge. It's more than just oil. It's liquid engineering.
This is love. The morning begins with arthritis pain. That's a coffee and 2 pills. The
Get him,
afternoon
Magoo.
tour begins with more pain and more pills. The evening guests arrive. Back to
Get him,
sleep,
Magoo.
back to more pills. The day is
Arf,
done, but
arf.
her doctor recommended a leave. Just 2
Arf,
pills
arf.
to keep arthritis
Oh.
going all day with fewer pills and Tylenol. This is love, who chose 2 leaves and fewer pills for a day free of pain. And get the all-day pain relief of a leave and liquid gel.
When the visitors arrive, they simply keep
Oh, he's a phony baloney.
Before your family travels this holiday, what are the warnings and latest threats?
Magoo's getting ready to pounce. Watch.
The first ever face transplant recipient meets her donor's family face to face for the very first time. See it only on World News with Diane Sawyer.
So
This is
cute.
on ABC.
For years in Kansas City, there was a
God.
man named Larry Stewart who gave strangers money at Christmas. By the time he died, Stewart had given away $1 million. Other people are now continuing his tradition, giving out $100 bills unannounced to people in need. Our Kansas City affiliate, KMBC, tagged along this year. Here.
Well, at least we know he likes cats.
It's got to be yours. You sure?
Yes.
Get him, Magoo.
Put it in your bank? Yeah, well, in a while. So Benjamin's going to look out at 3, 4,
I'm trying to teach the kids this year that Christmas is about giving them everything. What a great blessing for us, isn't it? I was laid off in October, and everyone else is in. I lost my dog. Are you kidding? Is that...
Goo! Quit biting that couch.
Sure?
Joe, stop him from biting the couch. He's going to bite a hole in it. Oh boy, Melanie's going to have fun. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.